Hey everybody, here comes the second layer of wood. Yeah! Nothing like an inch and a half of plywood. Okay, shower valve time. So for a tub type installation, you want it about 32 inches up from the floor of the tub. So that's what I've centered this block on. It'll mount against that. And for our depth, we want, in this case, we want this plastic shield here to come out flush with the framing. So we need to drill a hole that this can set into, just about 3/8 of an inch deep, it looks like. And so that will be flush here, and when a hole is cut through this piece of shower surround, we'll leave this plastic on and it'll press tightly against the back there and hold everything tight. These Moen valves like this are really annoying, the way they route the water passage on the tub shower valve unit. So you start with a circle, then you gotta carve this extra little bit. Stupid. Until it looks something like that, and it will sit flat. You can screw it down, but after I attach some of the plumbing. Okay, I've got my 1/2 inch female pipe thread to PEX adapters all tight on here with Teflon tape. And I've measured for my side pieces of pipe out to where there will be an elbow. Go down here and down here. Got this block in place to prepare for the tub spout, for which you install what they call a drop-eared L. It has this female 1/2 inch pipe thread in it, and your PEX fitting there, and 3 mounting holes. So you put that in place at this stage, and then after the shower's all built, you select the proper length pipe nipple to go into the tub spout and thread into there. And it's the same up here for the shower spout. The shower arm will thread into that. you have to crimp from the handle side of these valves, sometimes you'll have to take the handle off for clearance, which is easy enough. Just don't drop the nut in the crawl space or the handle. Okay, so there's all the connections, but before I even mount the whole thing, I want to do a pressure test. So I rounded up what I have left lying around to plug up the tub spout and the shower spout. One of them, I got this pipe nipple and a cap. Put Teflon on everything. Use that at one end, and then a thread adapter and an O-ring cap. Okay, time for pressure test. Open the valves down here. Alright, I need to tighten that a little more. Yeah, there we go. And locate one of your valve handles and spin this through its full range of motion. Check for leaks everywhere. And it looks good. So I'll turn it back off for now and screw everything down. Alright, now starting with the valve body, because you want that thing to wind up straight. Alright. Okay, and then the tub spout. It can be a little difficult to bend and offset in this short spot there, but I've got it wedged in. And then the shower. Come back here and clamp these lines down. And again, using the one this way and one the other way technique. When you've got one with some stress on it. Alright. Shower is prepared. So I've given the rebuilt cement board kitchen sink area another coat of waterproofer. A lovely green. I've turned the water off. Time to put this together. I'll do the supply lines first, since they're all the way in the back here. It'll be much harder to work on that with a bunch of drain crap in the way. So here is another cool thing about PEX piping. You can get these swivel ends here that'll screw right onto the faucet with replaceable rubber tapered washers. So you can go right all the way up with the 1/2-inch PEX piping and not have to worry about selecting the correct length, fancy supply lines and chrome valves and all that business. If it's not a fancy looking place, like under the sink here. And that'll provide higher flow than a supply line if your faucet allows it. Not too many ordinary sink faucets these days even allow any more flow than a supply line. Reusing an old-timey laundry faucet or something like that, you know, those allow a lot of water through them. And it could be very handy to be hooked up this way. But otherwise, it's just kind of less stuff you have to go out and get sometimes. You know, supply lines are more flexible. That can be nicer sometimes. It's just nice to have this option. In this case here, we've got an extra item off of the hot and the cold. We've got ice maker over here and the dishwasher over here. I'm going to put 4 valves on here so you can isolate every item should something need service without shutting everything else. I'll start with a T on each one, and then I'll go up to an ordinary ball valve before proceeding to the swivel end I talked about, right to the sink. And then over here for the ice maker, I just used up all of my female PEX thread adapters on that shower faucet, but we happen to have this O-ring one lying around, so we'll screw this push-in connector for the ice maker line onto that one. Just put a stub of pipe there and just shove it together with a valve, of course, first. And over here on the dishwasher, with this supply line already being here, I'll use this supply line style valve. And it'll look something like that. But now, I've got to go to the store to get one more crimp ring! But anyway, I can get that later. Let's move on to fitting up this drain and garbage disposal and electricity for garbage disposal. Alright, okay. Sometimes you gotta know when you should have quit an hour ago. This is no way to run a Friday night. Alright, we got a lot of stuff here, but not quite what we need. We can do this on Monday. Thanks for watching.